Arjun, I've been taking English classes for months. I feel more confident now, but what if I stop? Will I lose this confidence?
That's a real concern, Priya. But confidence doesn't disappear if you build daily habits. Let me share 5 simple habits that will keep your English strong, even after quitting classes. Habit 1. Speak English daily with strangers.
Speaking with strangers? I get anxious.
That's normal, but here's the psychology. It's exposure therapy. Each conversation reduces fear, and every time you succeed, your brain says, I can do this. That's self efficacy, confidence built through action.
So maybe start with asking a shopkeeper something in English?
Exactly. Small wins build big confidence. Habit 2. Read English newspapers, books, magazines.
I read sometimes, but I forget words quickly.
That's because reading helps through spaced repetition. You see words in different contexts, situations, which builds long term memory. Plus, you absorb chunks, natural phrases, idioms, and complete sentences, not just isolated words. It makes English learning and recalling easier.
So 10 minutes of reading a news article could help?
Perfect. Try one article daily. Your brain stays in English mode. Habit 3. Watch English videos daily.
I watch YouTube, but mostly in Hindi Punjabi.
Switch to English for 15 minutes daily. Here's why. When you listen to native speakers, your brain uses mirror neurons to mimic their pronunciation and rhythm, and visuals help you infer meaning. This is contextual learning.
Like watching IELTS tutorials, English conversation video, or English vlogs?
Yes, and don't worry about subtitles at first. And you can find many such videos in playlist of this YouTube channel. Playlist link is in description. Habit 4. Write daily in English.
Writing? I'm not good at it.
You don't need to be perfect. Just write 5 sentences daily about your day or opinions. Writing forces active processing, which improves retention. You'll also see your mistakes and learn to self correct.
So, a short paragraph in English about what I did or felt that day, just like diary writing?
Exactly. It builds an English user identity. You'll feel less shy speaking. Habit 5. Shadow native speakers daily.
Shadow? What's that?
Listen to a short English clip and repeat immediately, matching pace and tone. It trains your mouth muscles through motor memory. You learn fluency over accuracy, which reduces fear of mistakes.
Like imitating a TED talk or IELTS speaking sample?
Perfect. 5 minutes daily. You'll sound more natural. So here's your daily routine. Morning, read 10 minutes news. Afternoon, watch 15 minutes English video. Evening, speak with one stranger plus write 5 sentences. Night, shadow 5 minutes audio.
This feels doable. I won't quit classes yet, but I'll start these habits now.
That's the plan. Consistency creates a habit. English becomes natural. And that's how confidence stays.